waves over the side. Yeah, that might be it over there. Marie got him last time.
Huh?
So Marie and I got him last time, but I did move another one out further.
Oh yeah, I forgot y'all came and got them. Yeah, them crabs would really be.
Yeah, I'm sure. Little ones, man.
Yeah. It is blowing.
One more, somewhere.
All right, we've got one more trap, but we can't find it. It's out here somewhere, hopefully. It's a mess of crab, not bad for 6 traps. Got an undersized one. Ow, they're mean. Even that little one. Got me. Alright y'all, back at the boat ramp. We're gonna load the boat, go back to Shane's house and probably clean some crab. We tried to do a little fishing, but we're getting any bites and it's just too windy out today, so probably see you back at Shane's house. High tide. Ready? Look at this one.
Nice.
Claws on that thing. Don't even match its body. All right, y'all, we are back at the house. We've got all of our blue crab that we cleaned back at Shane's house. And in this video, we're just gonna be steaming all of these using some Old Bay seasoning. So I guess you call that Maryland style maybe, or East Coast style. If you hadn't already, go back and watch my last video. We did blue crab. We did half of them steamed with the Old Bay, and we boiled the other half with the Zatarain's, Louisiana style, I guess you may call it. So it's just me and my youngest daughter here today. So we are going to feast on some blue crab, and I'm gonna get these going in the steamer. All right, so how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take the crab, kind of put them in a single layer here, then put some Old Bay seasoning on them. Y'all let me know in the comments if you think I'm doing this wrong. This isn't the typical way that we cook blue crabs here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We boil them with the Zatarain's or the Louisiana brand crab boil, but we're gonna do steam tonight. So add another layer on top of that. I do have some potatoes and carrots going. Normally we would do like sausage and corn, but I don't have any sausage or corn. So we're just working with what we got. Alright, for this steamer pot, this is what I'm working with. And I just have that in the bottom of it, and I'm going to try to just stack the crabs on top of that, and just stack them up in layers and probably cook them for about 12 minutes. That's a big one right there. I don't know if they're all going to fit in here. I'm starting to run out of room. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes and they're starting to turn that nice bright color. Looking good. Alright, look at that. Ooh, that steam got me. Steamed blue crab. God, look at the claws on that thing. Ooh, probably need to wait a minute. This is hot. Hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice little chunk of swimmer meat. It came right out of there. Some more from the legs. That is good stuff. All right, if y'all still here watching, do me a favor, hit the like button, give me a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. We're gonna find something on TV, and we're gonna sit here and pick crabs until we can't pick crabs any longer.